My name is Baker Bateru.
When the President, His Excellency the President, appoints women in leadership positions, not just in cabinet, but also in the courts of law, also in the parliament, also in other agencies and departments of government, he is creating role models for the young child, a young girl child to look into, to aspire to be like those leaders. But secondly, also, he is also giving women opportunity to have a forum to participate in very crucial decision making on behalf of those women of all levels across the country.
We are much more talking about making women reach where men probably have reached long ago. If we reached a point where we feel that some of the policy that have been put in place have facilitated women to reach where they have reached, then we will be able to ensure that we bring such policies to an halt.